21st of December, and it is solstice energy. Solstice energy is there to really catapult us forward. You know, we can use the solstice energy to avoid, to only go surface level, or we can really use this energy to catapult us forward. And we know it's a fire horse energy next year. So why not use the beautiful solstice frequency to take you so much deeper? The solstice is when we let go of the light and we allow that darkness, that stillness, that shadow aspect of self to uncover, to take us into our depths. You know, the depths that you've been running from, the depths that make your nervous system spin out of control. Here is a thing that not many people talk about on this journey. Whilever you are avoiding those depths of self, those depths that make the nervous system spin out of control, you cannot fully embody inner union. And without embodying inner union, you cannot create outer union. Why so many people get stuck on this journey is because they're willing to go so far, but when it gets really uncomfortable and they're really in the darkness, in the depths of the deepest parts of self, they go, no, I'm going back to the shallow. The shallow feels safe. This journey, the twin flame journey, is not a journey of safety. While either twin are staying in the uncomfortable, comfortable, in the shallows, you cannot peel back the layers to what the true self is. And so there are 7 layers to this journey. But the layers, each layer takes you deeper into that inner union frequency. And the first layer is learning how to regulate that frequency within ourselves. When we learn how to regulate it and fully embody it and be able to observe it, not knowing, or should I say, not believing that you are the emotion, but actually using the emotion to catapult you forward. Those emotions that you feel, those oscillations that move out, that make you feel insecure, those oscillations that make you feel all this big emotion that you want to disassociate with. Whilever you are disassociating, whilever you are running from them, you are not fully embodying inner union. And this is why we see people on the journey only getting so far. Because they're not willing to stand in that darkness, that solstice energy, and go, okay, I'm going to dance in this darkness. And yes, this dance feels slightly uncomfortable, but I know that emotion that I am feeling, I know that it is not the true self, but I also know that it is there to mirror, to show me, to dance with me. Because in dancing with it, in becoming it, in allowing it to move through you without attaching on and believing you are that emotion, I have been abandoned, I am abandoned, I have been betrayed, they betrayed me, I'm betrayed, I am in lack, I am in fear. Whilever you sit in that energy of I am, those lower vibrations, instead of going, actually, those lower vibrations, yes, they are moving through me right now, but I know that I am not them, because who I truly am is soul. And soul operates in a singularity frequency, not a duality frequency. If you are attached to good things and only going, I want good things, then the reality is that you will equally have bad things, because that's how the law the law works. Instead of going, obstacles come, beauty comes. Both are equal and both are showing me new levels of my true soul's reality. So when we learn to observe it, when we learn to watch it, when we learn to dance in that solstice energy, that deeper level, then we start to shift. We realize that nothing is ever truly happening to us. Everything is just guiding us deeper into soul's truth. You come here on earth to expand and grow at a soul level. This journey, a twin flame journey, the ultimate goal is not just solely union. And so most people then will say to me, well, so I'm not going to get union? No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is the ultimate goal is to know thyself, is to collapse down the identity and to ascend into a higher frequency. Wherever you are focused solely on union, you are in the distortion. And guess what? You will stay in separation. You may come in for these slight reunions, but wherever you make this journey solely about union with divine masculine, wherever you are sat there listening and searching and scouring the internet for union, what's divine masculine doing? What's his horoscope doing? You are in a lower reality. You are keeping yourself bound to a lower timeline. The only way through and to shift into that sovereign frequency and that higher timeline is learning how to dance, to go into that solstice, darker energy, the shadow parts of self, and learn how to dance with your nervous regulation system. When you start to regulate the nervous system and to start to see the emotions as simple guides, those emotions are just guiding you into a higher state of frequency. They are creating your next reality. And so you are choosing your next reality. And in the next reality, it is for you to fully embody that frequency and energy. The reason why people only get so far in manifesting is because they limit themselves of how deep they're willing to go with that nervous system regulation. Because if you still have a vibration of fear, guess what? You will create more fear. The mask, the mirror may come in a different fear face, but it will still be there. If you are abandoning self, guess what? And you have the vibration of abandonment, guess what? The vibration of abandonment will still rise. You hold the key to open yourself to the next layer, to open yourself to inner union, but only when you're able to move into those darker shadow aspects of self and be able to learn how to dance with them. If you need more help and support, my website is there. It's the 3Ws, catsacredsoul.com. We talk deep inner union work. We talk shadow. We talk union frequency. I help you, support you, so you're able to hold the frequency as divine masculine is coming back in and you don't trigger. You don't go into all that emotional deregulation. But you have to be willing to go into the darkness, into the shadow aspects of self, and not just stay in the shallow waters. I hope this helps. Happy solstice from my heart to your heart. Be willing to open up, because let me tell you, 2026 holds a whole different frequency. And when we start to open up the next level, that's when we start to really move forward. And as we move forward, guess what? It ripples through to divine masculine, because you're working in a one energetic frequency of the one soul. I send you much love. Have a blessed day.